nti nakwesoka balabe besonta tebamanyi nti nakwekwata omukwano gunyuma olina akwagala naye terya.
Here is how you can do the multiple crown effect with just your phone, CapCut, and a tripod. In the first clip, you're gonna film yourself on the right side, dancing or doing anything. The second clip, you're gonna film yourself in the middle, but always make sure you're creating a space in between the two or the three of you when you're recording in different levels. And don't move or shake your tripod. Third clip, you're gonna film yourself on the left. Okay. And note, please make sure you save this video and share it with your friends. Now we can import our clips to CapCut. Let's dive into it. Open CapCut, go to new project. We're gonna select our video. You select it and you click on add. So this is our video we're gonna work on. We have the first clip, the second clip, and the third clip. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna highlight our second clip. You scroll until you find overlay. Over here, you click on it. Thereafter, you're gonna drag it underneath the first clip, like that. Still on the same clip, you're gonna highlight it and you look for mask. Scroll until you find it. Over here, you click on it. Then tap on horizontal. Just go ahead and set the line effectively in between both clips. The 90 angle, like that. Again, click on horizontal. You go to feather to ensure that no lighting issues or any shadow issues with your clip. Are we together? Once done, click on check mark. We go back. So you're gonna go to our third clip. We highlight it. You go to overlay. Scroll until you find it. Right here, you click on it. Drag it underneath the second clip, like so. We're gonna do the same thing. You scroll until you find mask. Then horizontal. Thereafter, you're gonna use your fingers and set the line effectively in between the third video and the rest of the video. Click on horizontal again, then you increase your feather a little bit. Then click on check mark and we go back. So that is it. Once it gives you the seamless look, and you should have this. You can go ahead and export your video. Drop a comment below if you find this helpful and follow for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.